How to make cinematic AI videos without filming. Everything you just watched was generated entirely by AI, no camera, no actors, no film set. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create cinematic-looking AI videos using nothing but text prompts, the right tools, and a few techniques most beginners skip completely. By the end, you'll understand what actually separates a flat, obviously AI clip from something that looks like it was shot on a real film set. If you're new here, this channel covers practical AI video tools and techniques. If that's useful, consider subscribing. Let's get into it. Section 1. What makes a video feel cinematic? Before we touch any tool, it's worth understanding what cinematic actually means, because it's not about resolution. It comes down to a few specific things: intentional lighting, deliberate camera movement, depth of field, color grading, and pacing. Most beginner AI videos look flat because the prompt only describes the subject, a man walking down a street, with none of these cinematic elements included. Fix that, and the entire feel of the output changes. Section 2. Choosing the right AI video tool. There isn't one best AI video tool, it depends on what you're going for. Google's VO model is currently one of the strongest for realistic physics, natural lighting, and native audio, including ambient sound and dialogue. Runway is known for its camera control, motion brushes and directional camera moves that give you more creative direction over a shot. Kling is particularly strong for realistic human movement and multi-shot sequences with consistent characters across cuts. Luma tends to shine on atmospheric, moody scenes with strong depth and lighting. For this tutorial, the techniques apply across all of them. The tool matters less than how you prompt it. Section 3. Writing a cinematic prompt, the formula. Here's a simple formula for cinematic prompts. Start with your subject and action, who or what, doing what. Then add the setting, where this is happening. Then lighting, golden hour, moody blue tones, harsh overhead light, whatever fits the mood. Then camera movement, a slow dolly push in, a handheld tracking shot, an aerial pull back. And finally, style references, cinematic, anamorphic lens flare, shallow depth of field, film grain. Put together, a strong prompt looks something like this. A woman walks through a neon-lit alley at night. Rain reflecting pink and blue light off the pavement, steam rising from a nearby vent. The camera slowly pushes in on her face as she looks over her shoulder. Cinematic lighting, shallow depth of field, moody and atmospheric. Notice how specific that is compared to just a woman in an alley. Section 4. Using camera language that AI models understand. AI video models respond well to real filmmaking terminology, so it's worth learning a few basic terms. A dolly shot moves the camera smoothly toward or away from the subject. A pan rotates the camera horizontally. An aerial or drone shot looks down from above. A handheld or documentary-style shot adds slight, natural camera shake. Using these specific terms in your prompt gives the AI a much clearer instruction than vague phrases like, cool camera angle. Section 5. Lighting and mood, the detail most people skip. Lighting alone can completely transform how cinematic a clip feels. The same scene described with flat daylight versus golden hour side lighting with long shadows will produce noticeably different results. Common lighting terms worth using: golden hour, blue hour, harsh overhead light, soft diffused light, moody low-key lighting, and practical lighting, meaning light sources that appear to come from within the scene, like lamps or neon signs. Matching your lighting description to the emotional tone you want is one of the fastest ways to upgrade your output. Section 6. Maintaining consistency across multiple shots. If you're building a short film or a multi-scene video, consistency becomes your biggest challenge. AI models can generate a different-looking character in every new clip. To manage this, describe your character or setting with the same specific details in every prompt, exact clothing, hair, and physical description, rather than assuming the AI remembers previous generations. Some newer tools include built-in consistency features, letting you lock in a character or setting once and reuse it across multiple shots, which is worth using if your tool supports it. Section 7. Adding sound and music for a finished feel. Sound does as much work as visuals when it comes to feeling cinematic. Some AI video tools now generate native audio directly, ambient sound, sound effects, even dialogue, based on your prompt description. If your tool doesn't include this, add ambient sound effects and a music track afterward in your editor. A quiet street scene with subtle rain sound and distant traffic noise feels far more real than the same clip in silence. Section 8. Editing your clips into a finished sequence. Most AI video tools currently generate short clips, usually somewhere between 5 and 15 seconds. To build a full cinematic sequence, you'll generate several individual shots and edit them together, just like a real film is shot in scenes, not one continuous take. Bring your clips into any video editor, arrange them in order, add subtle color grading to unify the look across clips, and layer in music and sound design. This final editing pass is often what separates a rough AI experiment from something that actually looks finished. Let's recap. Understand what makes a shot feel cinematic: lighting, camera movement, depth, and pacing. Choose a tool that matches your goal. Write detailed prompts using real filmmaking language. Pay close attention to lighting and mood. Keep character and setting details consistent across multiple shots. Add sound design, and edit your final clips together with color grading for a cohesive finished look. If this helped you level up your AI videos, hit subscribe. I'm covering more AI filmmaking techniques every week. Drop a comment with the type of scene you're trying to create, and I'll help with prompt ideas in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.